Hi!
Hello!
Welcome! We are here to walk you through the wonders of the Mesozoic era.
Explore what life during those times.
Are you ready? Arat na!
The first phase of the Mesozoic era was the Triassic period. It existed from 251 to 199 million years.
During this era, the continents were joined as one, forming the supercontinent known as Pangaea. Because of these jammed continents, the hot and dry interiors of the landmass resulted into its hot and cold climate.
Now we move on to the next period of the Mesozoic era, which is what we all know of as the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period actually existed 199.6 to 145 million years ago.
During this period, the Pangaea split into two continents, which were named the Laurasia and Gondwana. The warm and wet climate then gave rise to lush vegetation, and abundant life was characterized with it.
The Jurassic period was also known as the Age of Dinosaurs because of how dominant and abundant reptiles came to be. They were also capable of laying amniotic eggs, which was a result of the advanced muscular system developed by the dinos during this period.
Amazing, isn't it? You know what else is amazing? The period's plant life, of course! During the Jurassic period, a new method of plant reproduction emerged. This resulted to more dominant plants such as conifers, bryophytes, ferns, and of course ginkgo.
Bravo to the Jurassic indeed. Now, the last and longest sector of the Mesozoic era was the Cretaceous period, which lasted 79 million years.
In this era, global conditions were warm, seasonality was low, and global sea level was high. There were also severe climate changes, lowered sea levels, and high volcanic activity.
Despite the hot climate, the plant life in this era is characterized by a revolution in the plant life because of the sudden appearance of plants. Cretaceous period plants are Aureliaceae, Podocarpus, and Betulaceae.
A new breed of birds have emerged in the Cretaceous period, which are the Thesaurus and the Confuciusaurus. Thesaurus can neither be birds nor bats. They are also considered as one of the first animals, after insects, to evolve with powered flights. They can be as large as the F-16 fighter jet and can be as small as a paper airplane. On the other hand, Confucius is a genus primitive crow-like bird. It was about the size of a modern bird.
Also, Tyrannosaurus rex emerged in the Cretaceous period. Tyrannosaurus rex emerged in the Cretaceous period, known as King of the Tyrant Lizards. The dinosaur's muscular body stretched as long as 40 feet, as big as a school bus.
And that last stop involves these three interesting facts about the Mesozoic period.
Did you know that in Canada, mass dinosaur graves has been discovered? These mass dinosaur graves contain dinosaur fossils of varying ages.
The most clever dino is the Troodon. Its brain is very large in proportion to its size. Paleontologists suggest that this big brain animal could have evolved into an intelligent form of life, rather like human beings. Period.
We all know that dinosaurs are either meat eaters or plant eaters. Surprisingly, there's a dinosaur who is known to eat fish, which is named Baryonyx.
What dangers may we encounter? Obviously, dinosaurs and volcanic eruptions. These are the things you will need for your trip with the dinosaurs. To survive a trip in this era, you must have
Water and rope,
Flashlights and matches.
pocket knife, and first aid.
Aluminum foil, binocular,
extra clothes, map, compass.
dry clothes, backpack, and most important, courage.
With that said, do you think you could survive a trip?
Good luck!